Hi there YouTube, this is Cheap Survival again. Today I'm doing a EDC video, and this is just carry on me at any given time. I work outside, so I carry bug spray and I carry some hand sanitizer. Kind of weird like that. This is a little EDC survival kit I made. I'll open that up in a minute. Just a cheap wallet. Got my Sure filled. I think it's kind of hard to open one-handed, but spring multi-tool here. Got a bunch of different things. Knife, bunch of different stuff. I got my Kershaw. I'm not exactly sure what this one's called, but I'm not big on names of, so I don't really keep track of that. Got my cheap cell phone here, which I will be replacing because it's a pain in my ass. And I got my keys. And then pretty much that's all I carry. And then a hat, which I like this hat. Well, I'm gonna break this open, and then okay, here is my little EDC pocket kit I got. I just made this out of a old bag. As you can see, I've done a review on this little thing. It's amazing, and can't get much better than this. On the inside of here, a dollar store flashlight laser combo. Trying to show it without matches everywhere, but laser, minor flashlight. Let's keep that in there just in case all this gets. Then I seen these in my last video. It's my Tinder bundle things. They're too large to fit in here, which is why I'll probably be making some smaller ones. That's that. Then I keep a pencil, some duct tape wrapped around, and this end's broken. And I keep a 16 GB flash drive. And I keep a tiny little knife. I love this little knife, had it for years. And to be honest, this more times than any other knife I've ever owned. Don't know why it's just that sharp. I've never sharpened it. Then I got a little piece of tin foil, some tea, got a condom, little single-use Neosporin, then some zip tie back here. Got some anti-diarrhea pills. This could save your life if you're stuck out in the wild. And here I got a hand cleaning wipe, little sewing kit, some not tweezers, clippers with a little file thing, and I do have two more things real very important. Band-aid, some more band-aids. Okay. One of those alcohol prep pads. I don't know. And then out here on the outside, keep more medical. And then a extra key room because I'm a roommate. Got more band-aids. Another thing of Neosporin, another prep pad, a lot more band-aid wipe, more band-aids, more prep pads, and then a big band-aid. I know a lot of people are probably thinking by now, damn, I keep a lot of band-aids in here. Because of the particular job I work, I bust up my fingers a lot. Because I work pushing carts. And I always get my fingers smashed up, like, see, got a band-aid on my finger right now. I messed myself up. Just minor little things, but this is everything I keep in my bag. So I got tinfoil, medical, cleaning, condom, Tylenol, knife, fire, and these, which will save your life. And with that little knife, I have two with my little Kershaw here. And multiple ways of starting fire, but it's just what I carry every day, all the time. And probably upgrading this again, because this is always changing. I mean, I just changed all this stuff. I think it was yesterday too. I added more stuff. And if I change it again, I'll update you again. And then, oh yeah, forgot, carry this too. Little water bottle. I work outside, so that comes in handy. I always keep that full when I'm out there, especially in the heat. In my EDC. So this has been Cheap Survival again. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Cheap Survival, over and out. Okay guys, I did forget. What I just showed you was all the EDC stuff I keep on my person. Forgot to mention what I keep in my bag, because I don't really carry this every day. I carry this the days that. Okay, like I was saying, I keep this stuff on me when I work. This is what I take to work with me, and I keep this completely the time I'm at work. It's never within more than like 100 feet, but I'll show you what's in it. I keep a backup wallet. I keep an actual blood monitor in this one, just in case, because I have a tendency to have low, especially when I don't eat often. But this is my me. I just stuck this in here for now. I got a emergency charger, some Carmex, some gum, because I like gum. Helps when I'm working. Some drink mixes. That's it for that pocket. Take this down here. In this pocket. Drop that down there. That's genius of me. Keep hand sanitizer. Well, usually on me. I at least take 2 of these usually, but I like to have extra. And inside, keep some sunscreen, SPF 70, because I got the sun. A whole bag of cereal bars, which I love eating those. Got some extra condiment stuff, fork, salt ices for when I eat my lunches, extra bag, and just in case you get some cold days, like actually today, kind of cloudy and cold, so that's why I tend to keep these. Then don't want to take okay, like I was saying, I keep some spare underwear, pants, socks, that type of thing in here. And then I usually keep my name tag, lunch pail with my lunch, or if I'm eating there, I don't have my lunch pail. But this is what I keep in my bag, and occasionally I might carry more, especially when it gets colder. If it gets hotter, I carry less, but this stuff, it's just used on a daily basis. This is just in case. This I keep in here just in case for my phone, but I actually need to get more batteries for that, I think. Yep. A lot of this stuff changes, like I get different types of fruit bars and stuff. Get different types of drink mixes. And this stuff I just pick up eating fast food, which usually is not that often. Because I don't like eating fast food all the time. It makes me sick and just how it is. So I try to eat only fast food maybe like twice a month. But yeah, this is the rest of my... Alright, like I said, this has been Cheap Survival. Drop a like, subscribe, comment. For now, thank you.